Here we are at the Kohl's elevator. Yeah, it's Stratford Square Mall in Bloomingdale, Illinois. New equipment. This used to be Montgomery from 1984 to 85. Okay, go you well. Going down?
Going down?
Yes.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's go back down. Your water dripping. Going up?
You going up too?
Yep.
Okay, then we'll go with you.
What are we playing?
No, I'm taking a video of the elevator.
Oh,
Just a hobby, I'm sorry.
that's fine.
I'm like he's up and down the stairs.
Yeah, like, I thought he was playing a game. That's playing, looking for the Pokemon or whatever. it is.
Oh, that game. Oh.
Yeah.
I hate that game. Alright, have a good one.
Have fun.
Thank you.
You too. It is sometimes very, 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 very hard to film this elevator, but yeah, it's whatever. Okay, now we're gonna watch the leveling. Okay. And that'll be it. But first, let's send it up. That'll be it.